one of Vlogmas. It's day one of Vlogmas. Hey, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. It's Vlogmas! All right, y'all. So this is my first time ever doing Vlogmas. I am super excited. So for those of you who don't know what Vlogmas is, Vlogmas was created by a YouTuber. I will have her information in the description box below so we can give her credit. Anyway, so Vlogmas is for the month of December, starting December 1st, all the way up until December 25th. YouTubers post a video every single day. I know. That sounds like a lot. And it's gonna be a lot. This is my first time ever doing Vlogmas. The reason why I decided to do Vlogmas is because I wanted to challenge thyself to come up with 25 plus ideas, record them, and post them all in the month of December. As y'all know, I recently reached 1,000 subscribers, so thank y'all so much for that. For those of you that are new and have never seen one of my videos, I do want to tell you a little bit about me. My name is So, and I model what it's like to be your authentic self, okay? And I have a YouTube channel here where I do a lot of lifestyle vlogs, from travel to beauty product reviews to plant-based food reviews to my housing journey. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button right now, okay? So you can get to know me a little bit more over these next 25 days for Vlogmas. On this journey with YouTube, I just want to find ways to continuously challenge myself. So I was like, all right, so for the month of December, we are going to challenge ourselves and we are going to post a video every single day. I told y'all every single day, so I'm gonna just do it every single day. And if I don't, I just don't. That way we ain't gotta put no clause in there, okay? All my videos for the month of December will somehow be related to the holidays. So I will do some holiday shopping, show you guys places to get gifts, different stores that you can go to and find holiday themed gifts. I'm gonna talk about some of the holiday themed music that I love. I'm also gonna do some holiday treats and show you all some holiday activities that you can do with yourself, your spouse, your significant other, your family, your friends. Just giving you all ideas for this holiday season. I do want to share some of my childhood holiday memories. Oh my gosh, y'all. I remember when I was a child, really in my younger days, when I was under 10, when we used to get real trees for Christmas. We would get real trees, me. I have an older brother, an older sister, and my mom. We would decorate the trees. My dad would just help bring in the tree, and that's about all he gonna do. That's it. Me and my siblings and my mom, we would decorate the trees. So fun. As my brother got older, he was MIA too. Shout out to my brother Osa the Healer. He will be doing all my instrumentals for Vlogmas. So make sure you check out his information, which is in the description box below. As years went on though, we started getting fake trees because them real trees was real messy, and then my mom would have to vacuum around the tree for all the little tree things. One of my holiday snacks that I do remember is eating caramel popcorn. I used to love this caramel popcorn. I don't know if y'all remember, but it was a big tin, and it was 3 different flavors of popcorn. I think it was caramel, I want to say a cheddar, and then a butter popcorn. But y'all, that was my favorite holiday snack. I would tear them things up, okay? And now, life has really changed. It has. You couldn't get me to touch a piece of caramel popcorn nowadays, okay? I just won't do it. I don't even know why that combination was created. But that's another story for another day. So my aunt one year, she bought me a doll house, like a big, big dollhouse for one Christmas. And I remember that was like everything to me, you know, like just being young and having like, oh my God, like I have this big dollhouse that I can play with, like majority of the time by myself. My siblings are older. My sister's 4 years older. My brother's 6 years. Well, my brother wouldn't be playing with no dollhouse. Anyway, that don't matter. Anyways, that was like a really special gift that I remember getting. Now, as time has gone on, the holiday season just be looking like, you know, we just gonna gather and eat. That's what it's been looking like for the past couple of years. It's just like gathering and eating. The only person that really does decorations in my family is my sister. I know sometimes like she'll put up a tree and put up like holiday decor. I ain't really into it. Maybe next year. Now that I'm a homeowner, maybe next year, you know, hopefully I can have like the whole family. Maybe they can come down here to Georgia for Christmas. All my family, they're in DC. So maybe they can come down for Christmas and I do a little razzle dazzle with some decorating and keep the holidays fun and cute. So this year for the holidays, I will be going to see my family. So make sure you stay tuned to my vlog so y'all can see, you know, what goes on when I go visit my family in DC for the holidays. So I am super, super excited to be participating in Vlogmas this year. We are challenging ourselves on the way out of 2022 into 2023. So I'm excited. I'm up for the challenge. I may cry some days. I may be happy other days, but I'm really just going to push myself to do something that I haven't done before, you know, trying out new things. Speaking of trying out new things, y'all, let's get into the details of this dress. So I got this tube top red dress. Let me show y'all. Got a little ruffle right here. It's a split over here. I actually got this dress from my sister. So she ordered it from Fashion Nova, but it didn't fit her. So So, who was next in line to get it? Me. Okay. You know what? You know what I really appreciate? You know what I'm very thankful for? I'm thankful for the people in my life who order stuff online. They get it. They can't fit it and they give it to me. I mean, I've really been blessed in that area of life. So shout out to my sister. Thank you, girl. Y'all may see this dress recycled this holiday season. I got all done up for y'all. I'm saying all done up. I mean, it really didn't take me too much to do this. Okay, put some foundation on, did my brows, threw on some lashes, threw on a red lip. I don't do lip colors that much. I usually just go with my Fenty Glow gloss. Rihanna done took over the game. Let me tell y'all something real quick about that Fenty Glow gloss. That thing is addictive, okay? So, I was trying to adjust my budget. You know, I'm like, all right, so like see where you can like, just see some areas where you can save some money. So I was like, all right, you know what? Instead of getting this like $20 gloss from Fenty Beauty, you know, let's go to the beauty supply store. It's probably all the same ingredients. Go ahead and go to the beauty supply store, get you a nice gloss. After using that beauty supply store gloss, I learned that that's not the area that I'm meant to save money in. I said, this just ain't it, because the feeling on my lips, it just wasn't giving. It wasn't giving. So just gotta figure out ways to make more money to fund this lifestyle that I love to live. I'll also be taking you all along with me for like holiday parties that I'm doing in the month of December. So you really just, y'all have to subscribe and come along for the ride. And comment below any holiday ideas you have. I may or may not do it depending on what it is. I already have a long list of things to do, but if you have any ideas of something you want me to do this holiday season, please comment below and I will try to get it done, and it might be something I already have on my list, so we'll see. Thank you all so much for tuning into this video. I'm super excited for Vlogmas, and I cannot wait to see y'all each and every day for this lovely month of December. All right, well, I will see y'all on day 2 of Vlogmas.